In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the face unlock is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and check if there is any dust or debris on the selfie camera of your Samsung phone. If there is, just use a soft cloth and clean the selfie camera of your Samsung phone. Now if you have applied any screen protector recently, just remove it, because some screen protectors might interfere with the working of the selfie camera and this can make the face unlock not to work. So make sure you remove it, then clean the selfie camera. Now after you've done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Then tap on screen lock and biometrics, and from here just enter your lock screen pin. After that, just scroll down a bit and tap on face recognition. Tap on remove face data, then select remove. After you do that, then just tap on register face, then tap on continue. Now just tap on register. Now after you do that, then just place your face in this camera frame so that your Samsung phone will register your face for face unlock. Now just place your face in the selfie camera. Now after you do that, then just check if your face unlock is working or not. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just make sure that you're in a good lighting condition. Because if you're in a bad lighting condition, your front camera will struggle in registering and detecting your face. So make sure you are in a good lighting condition while setting up and using the face recognition. Now after that, just go to settings, and under settings, just go back to the main settings page. And just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on software update. And from here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone, because sometimes these issues can be caused because of a software glitch and they will be fixed through a software update. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on general management. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for reset. On this page, just select reset all settings. Then tap on reset settings and enter your lock screen pin. And after that, just tap on reset. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your Samsung phone. Now do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. It will only set all the settings of your Samsung phone to the default. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the face unlock is not working on your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.